So, okay, class, today I'm going to show you how to create a drawing in Autodesk, in Creo. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on Creo. Okay, just say okay here and close these out. Maximize the screen there, go to New, select Part, Solid, and we're going to make this bracket dash A. Okay, bracket dash A. Select OK. Oh, before you select OK, turn off this use default template. Select OK. And select OK. Go ahead and select on the frontal plane and select extrude. And now we are going to look at our frontal plane. So select the sketch view so that your line of sight is perpendicular to your drawing screen. Go to rectangle, center rectangle, click on this origin, drag out a rectangle, click, come within the rectangle, click here with your scroll wheel. You'll see some dimensions come up. Double click on this, gonna make this 2. Double click on this dimension here, make it 2. I'm gonna zoom in. Using the refit button, you can also use the scroll wheel. Click on the check mark, zoom in with the scroll wheel. You can hold the scroll wheel down. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 2. Okay, you can change the thickness here or the depth. I'm going to leave it at 2. Select OK. All right, so it disappeared. Select refit. All right, so now I want to cut off my datums. So just click on this button here, click to the left here, go to extrude. I want to extrude on this surface. And let's do a look at, do a rectangle. We're going to do a corner rectangle. Click on this corner, drag, click with the left mouse button, then click the your scroll wheel. Let's make this 1 inch here, enter. Make this 1 inch here, enter. Say OK. All right, and hold the scroll wheel down. And we're going to grab this here with the left mouse button and drag it all the way across. To remove that material, select OK. So this is our, let's do a file, save, say OK. All right, so we got our part. Now we need to make our drawing here. So go to File, New, select Drawing. Again, we're going to call this bracket dash A. Turn off the default template. Select OK. Select Empty. Select Landscape. Come down and select A here. Select OK. Okay. Now we're going to go up here to General View. Click on General View. Select OK. And take your left mouse button and click about right here. This dialog box comes up. Select Front. Select OK. All right. Now we want to project this. Your left mouse button to click inside this area. And come here and select this icon here, which is the projection icon. Click here, come back, left click, Click on this icon here. Now to put your isometric, you can't do like you do in Inventor. So go to General View, select OK, and click here. And we don't want this to be trimetric. We want this to be isometric. Select OK. So this is our sheet so far. Go to View, and our display option, we want no hidden lines shown here for this particular one. There's no hidden lines anyway. Repaint this, OK, and come over here and do a file, save, and select OK. All right, now we want to dimension this. Hover near the geometry, click in there, and go to this icon, show model annotations. We're going to keep all four of those. Just select all four of these, apply, those out. Same here. Okay, so you see the little red rectangle right there. You're going to left click, and you're going to show the I don't want this one, so I'm only going to keep the first one, not going to keep the second one. Cancel. Okay. All right. Now let's put some labels in here. Go to Annotate, Note, Unattached Note, put a label. Click here, type in Top, View, do a left click, and you'll see the little grips come up around the label. Select bold and underline, and then click again with your left mouse button. Okay. Go to Note, Unattached Note, and do these. Click here for all the views. This is ISO view. Click to the right, bold, underline, and you can drag this. Hold left mouse button, you can drag it over some like that. Okay, let's do this again. Note, come down here, click. This is going to be front view. Click to the right, bold, underline, click to the right. One more time. Click here. This is the right side view. Click to the right, bold, underline, click to the right. Okay, now we want to print this. Go File. Let's save it first. File, Print, Print. Size is A size. Orientation should be landscape. I'm not going to have the format on for right now. Cut that off. And we're going to do a full plot. And we're going to do a preview. And actually that looks pretty good. And we're going to do a print. And do OK. And do a save. We're going to save as a PDF. See how it looks. Looks good. So that should complete our, we'll stop the recording here.